Stop, y'all. The Linux Village. Oh no. Boxes of stuff to dig through. I'm too old for this shit. I'm taking y'all with me to an estate sale this morning. This is the first day of the sale, but it is literally 2 minutes from my house. So of course, I gotta come check it out even day one. Look at these urns. They're metal and rusty, heavy. $2.95 for the pair. Love the brick steps with all the moss. So cute. All right, let's go check this place out. Look at these coat racks. Oh my gosh, $22, y'all. Look at this one with all of the spindles. Look at the feet. What is the price on this one? $65. Oh my gosh, I love both of them. Actually, y'all, for $22, this in my closet would be great. And I'm just noticing there's tons of Vera Bradley. Cute little bench. 15. I have a 16-year-old girl. My daughter's 15 now, so maybe I'll get her this one and give it to her. Stop, y'all. Look what they have. The Linux Village. It is $325. My gosh, that's amazing. This has been all over my social media. Everybody looking for the Linux Village. All right, I think I'm gonna want a lot of furniture from this place. Look, this coffee table is precious and only $18. Christmas items. He's cute. This is precious. I don't see a price on it. Some old toy trucks and cars. Pottery pieces. This is a giant globe. Oh, I love this map. Oh no. Here's a cute little egg basket. I haven't found one of these in a while. $6. I think I'm gonna grab this. I like this little round jar too. I think it's $3. Here's a beautiful quilt rack. $35. Look how chunky and weathered this wood is. Oh my gosh, and it's super heavy. I love it. I can't think of anywhere in my house. I need one though. Desk. Little rocker. This lamp is really pretty. Oh, I need this for my front door. It doesn't stay open, which is super annoying. I think I'm gonna get this. Some hats. Oh, I like this one. This would be a good start to my hat collection where I put that basket wall in my hallway. I want to get hats to replace it. I like this one and I like the green. I feel like it's gonna match good with my house. Lots of dolls here. Oh my gosh, look at her with her little teeth. They're all cute. There's a big one right here. Another little brass piece. Fancy gloves. Oh, this brass bowl is pretty. Doesn't have a price on it. It's just the little hankies are $1 each. I might ask about that. Oh look, some matching lamp set. Bathroom. Just a cute brass trash can. I don't see a price on it, but I want this for one of my bathrooms. Okay, I didn't bring nothing. I want this for one of my bathrooms. Oh my gosh, look, the flowers on it. Adorable. All right, I found all the rusty crusty stuff. Cute little crock. I wish it was just solid. I love Crocs this size. Oh my gosh, I need this. I have these on my bookshelves in the living room. I love them.
This should help y'all out.
Okay, I'm definitely getting this. Ooh, look at this roller pin. It's a good one. $15. Lots of white dishes. Ooh, these are Homer Lachlan. Are these as well? They are. I really like this size. Oh. Let's see. $2 each. I like the colors in this quilt right here. I don't see a price on it. It's just an armoire. It's $150. Oh, it's a desk too. I don't think it's an older piece. Oh, it has this little part that pulls out too. Bunny rabbits. Hello. You are coming home with me. I think I need this little guy too. Made in the Philippines. Let's get some books. Green ones. There's a ton of stuffed animals. What is this thing? Oh, this little guy looks sad. Look, the baby's comforting him. It's gonna be okay. Ooh, this looks like an old teddy bear right here. Look at him. The different faces on the dolls just always crack me up. It's a cute little metal lamp. This is precious. It's a little dark in this room, but hopefully y'all can see okay. Some old games. Brass candlestick. Desk. Here's some little figurines. Look, I found a little hanging trinket tree. You could put 3 little figurines on there. Oh wow, y'all. They have a whole set of copper pots. These are amazing. And I think the prices aren't bad. 20, 20, 20, 20, and 50 for the big one. I'm excited. They have a shed. First, we gotta check out this little brass piece here. Actually, this is copper, right? Oh, the lighting's so much better outside. Y'all can actually see. Then we're about to go into this dark shed. But it's not too big, so hopefully y'all be able to see. Well, there's a bell-shaped glass jar right there. I've not found one of those in a long time. This is a mantle. Look how tall it is. Some doors. Alright, I'm gonna get my hands dirty and dig for a little bit and see what I can find. This piece would be so precious if it wasn't a rat's nest and missing a door. Look, the little drawer, so cute. Okay, all I found is this wooden bowl right here. One beautiful doorknob, another beautiful doorknob, and I'm gonna get the bell glass jar. Don't forget to look up when you're in sheds. Oh, and it has the top. A lot of times these are missing the cover when I find them. I just noticed. Look at that beautiful sewing table right there, and then there's another one right here. There's a garage. Maybe I should have started here. Boxes of stuff to dig through. Snoring Santa. Oh, I love this camera. That is beautiful. This is a light fixture cover, but look how pretty it is. And there's a hole in it. So Christmas time, you could put a Christmas tree in it. I think I'm gonna turn it into spring decor. Maybe put a bird's nest. I don't know. Let's take it home and figure it out. 2 cute little wooden spindles. Yes, need these. Oh, I like this Santa. It's an older ceramic piece. And look at this puppy. It's very heavy though. I think I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else, but I am gonna get this Santa. I found some books. And look at this planter right here. I don't see any cracks. It's signed. Hazel Ingram, it looks like, painted this in 1970. I love the color of this suitcase. That would be so pretty for spring. I found these little gingerbread men. I like them. They look very realistic. That'd be cute Christmas decor. Apparently, there's an attic. And it looks kind of sketchy, but you know, I'm going up here anyway, risking my life for y'all, for all the good junk. Okay.
What are you doing?
Is that a shoe? Ceramic shoe planter. Ah. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to literally crawl through this attic. Vintage booby cup. Sorry y'all, I'm too old for this shit. This is as far as I'm gonna go. I found some Busquios. Check these out. This is probably a lamp. And what in the world is this? Look at these monkeys. I don't know if they're so creepy, they're cute looking, or what's happening there.
I'm right over there. Yeah, I live right over there.
I did not notice this bowl my first time around. Oh, look at the crazing. It's so pretty. $15. These are in the kitchen, but these would be cute little trays. I'm gonna get one of these because I actually need one. In our closet, we have a chair and a little end table that my husband uses, and he needs one of these. Anyway, I see something. Oh my gosh, look. I don't have this size bowl, I don't think. It's my favorite pattern. Okay, I need that. And this one back here looks really crazed. It's pretty. Is this ironstone? Also did not notice this beautiful bread box the first time around. Y'all, I have this statue at my house. I bought it at a estate sale, I think for like $5, because it reminded me of Ren. And they have a little boy one here too. I'm getting my workout today. It's my 3rd trip walking back to the car to get everything in there. That's the house way back there. That was a good estate sale. It was small, like the house wasn't that big, but I got a lot of stuff. And yes, I bought 2 more Christmas trees. Don't judge. I got a whole stack of amazing books. These 2 pieces are for me. I found some fun vintage Christmas items. Oh, my doorstop. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this doorstop. Not only is it going to be beautiful in my house, but it's going to be very useful since for some reason my door does not stay open. My hat. So cute. More books right here. Lots of copper and brass. I love this camera I got. Lots of little goodies. So it was a great sale. And since it's so close to my house, I will probably come back on the last day and see what else they have. So I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure and the estate sale. I feel like it's been a while since I've been to a estate sale. Leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite piece that I purchased today. And these items can be found on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, or my Whatnot sales, and I will link both of those.